name is Shai Schmetzer. I'm from the Oracle Visual Builder Cloud Service team, and in this demonstration, we're going to show you how to pass parameter to a VBCS page and how to use them in your business logic. So in this demonstration, we have a table connected to a business object, and we have a search field. Okay? And we're going to bind this search field to a new variable. Okay? So we'll call this one the search var, and it's a string. Now, one thing we can mark on this is an input parameter for this page, and that we can pass it on the URL. We can also have it required or optional. Right, so now that we have this, let's go back to our UI, and we can set this field and the data source for it to map to this new variable. As I showed in other locations, you can have an event on the change of this value, and in this event define that it would filter the table by using an assign variable and accessing the filter criterion and defining a new criteria for your table. For example, we can say that we are looking for the attribute that is called rank to be equal to the value of this search variable. Like that. We can now test our page just to show that it works. Okay, so let's switch to live mode and we'll switch to show ranking 4. Okay, and if we do ranking 3, that would be it. So now we have this working when we modify the value of this input file or input field. What we want to do is we also want to filter if we get a parameter as a page parameter. So to do that, let's go to the settings of the page and we'll define a new event. Okay, and we can do it when we enter the page. Okay. And we want to invoke a specific logic. The logic can actually be the same logic that we used when we change the value in the field. So we'll choose the same action chain. Okay. Now let's run our page. So our page initially shows up, and then we can add a parameter. So for example, let's add search var 3. And then we get record 3. Again, this is the way that you add the parameter, a question mark, the name of the variable, and the value. So again, if we switch it, for example, to be 8, we'll get the records in the 8th place. And there you go. This is how you pass parameters to a page and use them inside VBCS.